Hello everyone. Our project name is Content-Based Image Retrieval Framework for Speech Annotated Images, presented by Nishma, Joshita and Jyotirmayi under the guidance of Mrs. Aarti, Assistant Professor, ECE Department, RMD Engineering College. The abstract of the project is: to search for a relevant image from an archive is a challenging research problem for computer vision research community. In the last 2 decades, extensive research is reported for content-based image retrieval, image classification and analysis. This is the literature review of our project. Project introduction. The shared and stored multimedia data are growing, and to retrieve a relevant image from an archive is a challenging research problem. Most of the search engines on the internet retrieve the images based on the text-based approaches that require captions as input. The difference in human visual perception and manual labeling annotation is the main reason for generating output that is irrelevant. This is a problem statement. In this project, we propose to develop a novel framework for content-based image retrieval for speech annotated digital images.
This is the existing system of our project. It is near to impossible to apply the concept of manual labeling to the existing large-size image archives that contain millions of images. The approaches based on automatic image annotation are dependent on how accurate a system is detecting color, edges, texture, spatial layout, and shape-related information. And content-based image retrieval is a framework that can overcome the above-mentioned all the problems, as it is based on the visual analysis of contents that are part of the query image. To provide a query image as an input is the main requirement of our project, and it matches the visual contents of query image with the images that are placed in the archive. And closeness in the visual similarity in terms of image feature vector provides a base to find images with similar contents. According to our literature, the query by image content and simplicity are the examples of image retrieval models that are based on the extraction of low-level visual semantic. Some of the applications of our content-based image retrieval are remote sensing, crime detection, video analysis, military surveillance, and textile industry. Coming to the disadvantages of our existing system are not accurate, highly complex, requires huge hardware, and it consumes huge power.
1.
This is the proposed work of our project. In this project, we propose to develop a novel framework for content-based image retrieval for speech annotated digital images. The proposed system first creates a database of several significant features derived from the different standard high-resolution optical satellite images. While creating the database, each database image is pre-processed first and then processed with the robust discrete wavelet transform. This is the block diagram of our proposed system. It contains test image, pre-processing, DWT framework, feature extraction, CBIR, database, and performance. First, we consider the speech annotated image under the test and subject it to the pre-processing, where its quality will be improved. Next, after enhancing the quality of speech annotated image, the pre-processed speech annotated image is subjected to the DWT analysis to obtain the sub-band features at fine to coarser levels. The constructed feature vector of test speech annotated image is subjected to the comparison with the database features, and based on the matching status, the corresponding data or images will be retrieved from the database. This system finds its application in almost all diverse fields due to its ability in pattern detection and recognition applications. These are the advantages of our proposed system. These are highly accurate, very simple and flexible, reduced processing time, consumes less power, low operational and maintenance cost.
These are the tools and techniques that we use in our project, that is MATLAB software and the image processing toolbox. Coming to the output of our project, this is the code that we have developed for our project, and then this is the output of our project. Now we would like to explain it completely.
1.
This is the code that we have developed for our project. Now we are going to run the code. After running the code, we get this particular page. I have already created a database and have put many certain number of images. Now I am going to load the data set. After loading the data set, I select the particular data set which I have put the images in. Now the data set is loaded successfully. Now after loading the data set, I am going to search for a particular image, which is nothing but the query image. From the images, I select a particular number of image. I have given the query image. Now I am going to check for the output. Now I have selected this query image and I get the output which is similar to the query image. Now in our project we can change the number of images that we can obtain. Now I am going to give a number as 7 and I am going to check for the output. Now I get 7 similar images that is equal to my input image. This is nothing but the SVM block where I get the matrix information of our project. Thus, this is the explanation of our project. Thank you.